Hello everybody, my name is The Bird Boy, and today, and on the last episode, I rode this amazing bull, and now we are going to start this off with Arrow Run, and if you couldn't tell, I was playing Happy Wheels. It's almost impossible. Not for me. I will destroy you, son. I hope you die first. Go die. No! Take the kid! Okay. Oh no, I want to switch characters. Okay, let's be Santa Claus. Run! Oh, I missed! No! No, I will not give you all my money. Crap. No. Experts Only by Funja. Play Tobuscus Expert. I am rushing to get to work. 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 Rushing to get to work. I am rushing to get to work. Whee! I am rushing to get to work. Woo! It's okay, I'm just bleeding. I am rushing to get to work. Oh, go! Yes! Yes. Whee! Oh, God. No! Let's play this, I think.
Hey, Dad. Oh my God, they were gonna do a flip like the Segway guy did.
Are you stalking him again, son?
Maybe.
Son, what have I said about stalking people? It's not nice. Dang it! Yep, you know what? Cheating. Look at those mad skills. Oop! Lost my son. Oh well. Did you hear that? I didn't hear nothing. Oh! Son of a beep! Got further with Segway guy. What the f— I'm done. Bullcrap. Expert Smart Quiz. Son of a— by Fluffy Bunny 2525. Please rate fairly. Oh. 2. I think. What? Oh. 7. A potato. Yeah, nice. I saw all the axes. What? No! What the heck? No! 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 1 plus 1 equals window. Window! There. I'm done. I won. Try to Succeed by Lux Jams. Quit. Quiet. Hard. Go for it. Quiet. Hard. Go for it. May the force be with you. Really? YOLO! I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I can't run. Free falling. Oh! I ain't playing that level. Balls of Fury by 258 Happy Wheels. Try to make it past the balls. Balls. Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez. Dad, you died.
No crap, son. Oh! Yeah, that's how it's done, sucker! Ooh! That's how it's done. That is how it's done. Coin Hunt by Super Mario Man 2004. Let's do this. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I can't go! Oh! Go. You're welcome. What do I get? I get nothing. No, I'll not feed you the cupcake. Do you trust it? Sticker 7. Go through every step to victory, but watch closely for him. If you don't, you will die. Enjoy. I made this for Toby. Floor, wall, okay. Okay. Wall. Okay. What other way? Ow. What other way? Huh. There is no other way. I'm done. Kill Everybody by LMJ8. LMJ Alberto. I don't know. I'm beautiful. No, you're not. You're ugly as crap. Whoop. Yeah. I don't think that was supposed to be the objective. Whee! I see someone. I'm gonna stab him with my dick. Come here. Come here. Look at all these backflips. Whoa! Look at my new penis. I got a new penis. I got a new penis. Oh, did I die? Nope. Still alive. Whoa. Oh, yes. At least I killed somebody. I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Hope you liked. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe to become a part of everybody and in the Everybody Army. Please leave a comment and tell me how I did. And I will see you all later. And as always, have a good day.